Welcome, guys. Good morning. Um, Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shady BTC, and you are actually watching Degen Paul. Here we talk about Degen. Everything about Degen, we from start to finish, and how you can start your Degen journey and everything. So, please, in case you haven't subscribed or you are watching us for the first time, I will advise you subscribe to our channel and turn notification button so that you can get to see more of our videos whenever it's been posted. Okay. Then the next thing, please try and like the video so that you can get to others that really need to watch this video. Okay. So today's topic is how to become profitable in digital trading. I believe that this has been the goal of everybody, everyone who is trading digital to make profit. Nobody wants to start a business he doesn't make anything out of. Okay, that's been the goal of everyone to make profit. Okay, the reason why I use this particular token, SpongeBob, is that it has been making waves since yesterday. It did the all time high was around that 48K or so thereabout. That was this night, but I did not ape. I could not ape. I was so tired. Yesterday was my POP, so I had to rest. I was so tired, so I did not ape. Okay, so I decided to use it as a yardstick. Okay, so that I can use to pass message on to person. How do you become profitable in digital trading? In the giant space actually. To do that, there are a lot of things you have to do. So everything has every business has a rule. So you have to identify the rules and stick by it. Okay. So now, at first, if before you open to any particular call, look at the name of that particular project. Just like I said, diligent trading is all about gambling. Though luck is involved, but sometimes you just have to be diligent, which is the number one thing. Diligence is the number one thing. The number one key. You have to be diligent. You have to avoid the FOMO. No, we FOMO into course in Dijon actually, but you have to reduce your rate of FOMO. Okay. Then trading is 90% emotional, but you have to learn how to react to the emotions. How do your body system react to losses? How do you react to profit? How do you react to gain and this and that? All these things will help to make you understand yourself better. Because trading is one thing that will expose you. It will bring out your innermost self to you. So I get to know how you react. It will teach you about yourself. Okay. So so without much I do or without saying much, okay, let's get down to business. So um first of all, you have to get all the whole trading tools which I've actually listed on my videos, both the scanning tools and other things. Okay. And these kind of tools include some are desk scanner tools, while some are telegram bots. Okay, you have to get to them. Starting from a token sniffer, which I did a video about, desk analyzer, crypto fighter, SUS boot, quick scanner. There are a lot of them, too numerous to mention. Just watch the video on the video list. You see, I made the video on that. Okay, just go to it and so I can be able to understand what I mean. Then the next thing after getting these tools and the next thing is to know the course you're entering. Know the course you're entering. Just like I said, you have to scan the token very well. You have to scan the token very well. They just say, let's take this token as a yardstick and let's go to TG and analyze it. Okay. Um, Here is my TG. Okay. Let's paste it on this. Let's. I think I'm using my second Telegram account. Okay. Let's paste it on this desk analyzer and see. Okay. This is that token we want. The token we just look at the SpongeBob. It has a market cap of 19K, liquidity of 2.7K, initial market cap of 310. That is starting market cap. Okay, it was locked for 61 days and it's announced. These are things to look at. So I don't end up eating rock. You don't end up eating rock because if you continue making losses, you can never be a boss. You can never make one out of it. Okay, so you have to look at all these things, analyze the token very well. Okay, this token is locked and this token is gonna mean that it's safe. Okay, mean that it's safe, and it doesn't have warning. Like it doesn't have both the warning function, whether it's a policy contract and others. I did a video on policy contracts. Okay, because you can have a token that is announced and locked, but it's still yet a scam. Okay, and if it is these tokens, this self-analysis should just indicate that it has a hidden owner or it has a policy contract, which means that the token you are buying, the token you are looking at is not the token the actual token you are buying. You're buying a token that is different from that token, but you're actually seeing a token that is like they are present something that is different from what you the actual thing is. Okay, if you are interested in that, just go and watch my video on that. You'll be able to understand that better. Okay, now let's continue where we are. This token has a buy tax of 0% and sell tax of 0%, which makes it more awesome for you to be able to flip it. Okay, you don't spend much on taxation. You don't end up getting taxed too much. Okay, now after looking at all these things, the next thing you look at is the TG. You take a look at the TG. And when I say TG, I mean Telegram. Okay, for those of you who doesn't know, it's just Telegram. That's what I mean. So look at the TG. How active is this TG? Is the token trending? Does it have color? These are things you look at. Okay, because you need colors so that they can get to this token can get to much persons who actually need to get to hear about it. Okay, let's take a look at this. At first, look at the activeness of this group. You can see this group is very active. These people are talking like they're active. They are all gingering each other. So the active that are all gingering each other means that the community is actually viable at the moment. Okay, currently they're even doing biggest buy competition as you can see. Okay, just finished. They just finished their biggest buy competition, which is wonderful. It's like a means of encouraging people to buy more and more. Okay, means of encouraging people to buy more and more. This person won 1.7 BNB. Wow, that is a that is a wonderful one. Okay, they just finished their big buy competition. Wonderful. Okay. Now the next thing is look at the pin messages. Look at the pin messages. What are their roadmap? What are their plans? To dev, what is the move that the devs is making? These are the things you look at. Okay, so I don't end up buying the wrong token. Okay, but in case if you maybe you don't want to waste your energy or stuff on that, all you have to do is this: you can ape into the project. When you ape in, you copy this. As long as you are sure that this token doesn't have a pause contract and it's not doesn't have a hidden owner, you just copy the CA, go to Twitter with a dollar sign, which is you just attach a dollar sign to the end of this for the beginning of the name. Just search for it and see what other people are saying about it. From what people are saying, you can now be able to analyze whether you can just come and sell off and save yourself for the losses, or you can just hold. Because sometimes people can ape into moonshots without knowing that they aped into moonshots, and things like that do happen. Okay, so that is it. And secondly, you have to know how to identify moonshots. Okay, I think I'll be doing a video on how to identify moonshots. So you don't sell off moonshots at a small profit. I've been a victim of this over time, and I really learned from my experience. Okay, so you don't sell off moonshots on with under smaller exits or smaller percentage, because it's gonna hurt you more. Some people even project that can give them 500x and they sell at 50% or even x2 and it's gonna hurt you because you like start calculating how many plays you have to do for you to be able to make that profit. Okay, that is that for that. Okay, look at the P messages. As you can see, these are the P messages on this. You look at whether is this token trending at the moment. This particular token is, I think, it's trending at the moment. It's trending. They actually paid for trending. They actually paid for trending. What are these skills? What are his plans? Understand? That's one of the things to look at. What are the day's plan? What is the move she's making? If with time, maybe you can just be observing some TG for the one time. With time, you can be able to understand this things I'm saying. Okay, then after that, let's see. Look at is the chart. The chart. Okay, where is it sitting at the moment? Okay, look at this chart now. This token. Look at this chart. This token is just coming back from a reversal. Just doing what they call reversal. It went up from here. It went as much as high as this, which was the all-time high. it now retraced back. Okay, it went up again, it started retracing back again, as you can see. Now it's on they call it a consolidation stage, which was a sideward movement. Now, okay, now look at this place. Now this place is a wonderful place to buy it. If the token actually breaks through, okay, if the chart actually breaks through, you're gonna make your money, you're gonna make your profit. But it's a two-way something. What if the if it breaks through the resistance, you make your profit, but if it breaks through the support, you run into lost. As you can see, you run into lost. When I mean the support and the resistance, I hope that you guys should be able to, like, I expect you guys should be able to know all this. But in case you don't know, I'll be doing a video on support and resistance, explain what support is and what resistance is. Okay, that should be my next video on that. Okay, so if it's like I say, if you break out the support, you want on it, break out the resistance, you make your money. Okay, but from look at this token is such on the faster and look at the chart. The chart looks lively, but the thing is this their biggest buy has competition has just ended. So chances that people might be dropping this token is high. Okay. So I will advise you to open this call at this moment. I will advise you to open this call at the moment. It that means good for you to open when people are when the buy commission is about to start and when it's the process. Because at that point people are buying it. But now it's getting dumped because of people the buy commission has ended. Okay. So now for this token to be able to survive right now, that means token need to have a sustainability. But if it doesn't, that means definitely gonna crash. But if it does, it can die can be able to scale too. Okay. Um that part of the things you look at, not all. Then secondly, another thing you look at when buying a token, you look at just like you look at the task, so you don't incur initial debt of what is bigger than what you're expecting. Like it will be stupidity for you to open a code that has 50% buy task and 25% sell tax. That means in accumulatively that is 5%, and you're now left with 25%, which the token need to do how many X's for you to be able to recover your money and profit to join. Okay, this is not advisable. It's not advisable. I wouldn't advise you to do that. Okay, I wish someone that open to a call of 99% tax, which is purely a honeypot, and you are opening into it. That is pure madness. That is pure madness. So I would advise you to do into that. So you look at the support and you look at the chart actually. The chart will help you to be able to analyze. Then look at the TG. How active is the TG? Did they pay for colors? Did they pay for color? Let's look at that particular token. Let's look at how many colors do they have? How many colors do they have? Because you can see this would they have the Yemi 9. Okay, I think it's a color. Where's there's a color here. Where's a color here? Think this guy is also a color. Okay, they have some series. They have this guy is also a color. Short sharp. That's a color. I think it's good to go because they have a lot of colors. They have colors here. Who are colors? Colors are people who call projects in their various core channel. Okay, there are people who call projects in their various core channel. Okay, I'm also gonna be using a little video on how to be a color, how to be a crypto color and colors too, so that you. And moreover, we have found a color, a shiller. Follow him diligently. Don't just follow him like a madman or stupidly. Follow him diligently because he's not a dev. So nothing is for sure. Some of his calls might fail. So when you follow him with sense, you can be able to differentiate those that gonna do and those that gonna fail. As you can see a lot of colors here. You can do those that gonna do and those that gonna fail. Okay. So these are part of how you're gonna analyze your TG. Then remember how you're gonna analyze the token so I don't end up buying work and buying the wrong one, the wrong C and all that. Okay. Then if the TG is good and the chart is good, I think we are good to go. The next thing you have to look at you look at the dev wallet, the marketing wallet and other things and his plans. Okay. Now let's look at this token. Now let's see we are still on the same token again. Let's another thing you look at what is uh token sniper saying about it. Okay. What is token sniper saying about this? Let's look at this token with let's analyze token with token sniper. As you can see, I say what does this call on token sniper? Okay, Okay, this thing will give us a picture. Okay, wonderful. It scores 80%. I mean that it's good. It's very, very good. Verify, renounce, adequate liquidity, and blah blah blah. But this is why it doesn't score that 20% or 20%. Okay, the wonderful is a nice score. Okay, so at least we are good to go. We are good to go. But remember, I can't advise you to open to this because the buy a big buy, the big buy commission just ended. So it's likely to be in the dumping stage, which is not advisable. Remember, every crypto token makes somebody money, gives somebody this money, and it looks and others to also lose money on it. Okay, don't be the one that is losing the money. Don't be at losing end. That'll be at the end. Okay. So in case you're interested in going into my private tutorial and reaching out to me, please just hit there's a link on this. Just hit the link and if you take it directly to my DM. Okay. If you shut me up and I do not respond, please just continue buzzing me up. I will definitely respond to you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Thank you.